In this video, I'm going to show you how I compress my videos using a free and open source web app called 8mb.local. Unlike standard Windows app, 8mb doesn't come with a single .exe file. It runs in a container. So first things you have to do is install Docker Desktop. I've already installed it, so I'm going to just open the app. Okay, so when you're done, your Docker looks something like this, to look empty with your Docker engine and all running. So once you're done, just open your terminal. Then you have to copy and paste any of these three commands. The commands are on their websites, which I have linked in the description below. So you use this command if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. You use this command if you have an Intel AMD graphics card, and if you don't have any graphics card, just use this. So for my case, I have a NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to be using this command. So you just copy it, then you paste it inside your terminal. Also, all this stuff have been linked in my blog post also. So if you want to get more details, you can just go there and read a bit more about it. So then we wait for it to finish installing. Okay, so once it's done, if you open Docker, you'll see this 8mb. So just start it. Once you see it running, just go into your browser, go to localhost 8001. Then you have it. This is 8mb.local. So all you need to do is drag your video into it. You know, all this is happening on your PC, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, so I have this video that is 400 megabytes. Let's drag it onto it. Okay, so then you select the size you are aiming for, or you type in a custom size yourself. So let's see if it can compress a 400 megabytes video to just 100 megabytes. I also have to come and click the codec. So I'm going with 264 because my video or my PC isn't all that powerful. I'm using a 1060, so it's pretty weak. Okay, so the video was recorded in 4K, but it says you can lower resolution to 1080p because it's analyzed it. So let's just apply that change. Okay, then we have everything set. You hit the compress, it will start compressing it. Even you can look at the logs as it's compressing, but that's not what we are coming here for. So okay, it's done. And you see, it's just 100 megabyte size. For comparison, let me open the original and then open the compressed file side by side so that you all can get a feel of it. Okay, I don't know why it's turned upside down, but let's go see. The quality ain't that bad compared to. This one is a bit higher quality, but it's just a bit higher quality, but still not far off it. So that's how I compress my videos using 8mb. and it's free. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all next month with a long form video, and you'll get your periodic shots as usual.